Good morning, it's Monday, March the 29th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show, bringing you the best press releases along with the halts at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Folks, it's Monday. Hopefully you all had a tremendous weekend, but it means it's time to get down to business. I've got one press release on the Canadian side, one out of the U.S. side, and I've got two halts to report on the second segment of our show. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called Searchgold Resources. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol RSG. They're announcing drilling results from their recent program on their gold property, which is located in northern Burkina Faso, which is located in West Africa. We've got some significant intervals, at least according to the company, significant intervals, which include hole number 31. It looks like 0.54 grams per ton of gold over 25 meters, and this is from 5 meters at surface, or just below the surface, to 30 meters, and included within that we've got 1.16 grams per ton of gold over 4 meters. So pretty good results coming out of Searchgold this morning. A little bit about the company. They're a Canadian-based mining company primarily focused on gold deposits in Africa. They're last at 6.5 cents. High of 8.5, low of 2 cents, market cap of approximately $9.6 million. Now, moving over to the U.S. side, I've got China Energy Corp. They trade on the bulletin board under the symbol CHGY. The company is announcing their fourth quarter and fiscal year-end results for 2009. The company is a producer and processor of raw coal for domestic heating, electrical generation, and coking purposes for steel production in the People's Republic of China. Now, I've got some highlights which include fourth quarter revenue is up approximately 300% to $21.9 million. They reported net income of $6.6 million for the fourth quarter. For the fiscal year 2009, revenue was up 110% to $41.7 million, and net income was $5.1 million. For the fiscal year 2009, cash flow from operations was $13.2 million. Now, we've also got some balance sheet items. Cash and cash equivalents and restricted cash totaled $5.2 million in November 09 compared to $600,000 in November the previous year. So it looks like they're definitely becoming a lot more stable on the balance sheet. Companies last at $2.75, high of $2.83, low of 16 cents, market cap of $123 million. Now, moving on to the two halts I had mentioned earlier. Hathor Exploration trades under the symbol HAT, halted pending news, and Terra Ventures on the TSX Venture under the symbol TAS, halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. Make sure to join us again here tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.